Hi everyone, long time no see. Life has been busy. I do have a Temu haul today and I am an affiliate with them. I do have a coupon code that you can put on the search bar in the app or the website. It is fav45575. If you're a new user, it will give you coupons. If you've only ordered online and never on the app, so that would make you a new user in the app, you should also be able to get coupons. It should also take you to my storefront where it shows you what I have in my cart and that I'm interested in. So let's dive on in. I have a Christmas haul to share with you guys. I will leave a link in the description box of all the products for you guys to find it. So for $1.76 for 8 pieces, I thought these were really cute. And I remember a couple years ago, I don't remember who it was, but she had put like a small eyelet and then use it as like a little dangle. So I thought that was really cute. I thought about gluing these down to use as like a layering embellishment piece, but they're so cute. Like they have like little stars in there. Then here's their Christmas tree, but their side is painted. So I don't know if I would necessarily put eyelets in some of these. Like this one I would, because I don't think it would take away from any of it. But like these I feel are, you know, just a little bit too small. Like I don't have any eyelets that small. I love this little Rudolph. I think he's so cute. So 4 designs, 2 of each. Let me bring out my ruler here. So like the snowman from the bottom of his beard to the top of his hat is almost 2 inches by, what is it, like 1.25 inches? Yeah, they're all probably about the same. The globe is probably about 1.5 inches wide by like 1.5 inches. So super cute for those. You can find really affordable dies, cutting dies on there. So for $1.64, like I would think about buying multiple and then sending this out as like a gift for like your swap if you're doing any kind of swaps. So this one is a reindeer. Well, I'll leave it like this. So it's a reindeer, and then here's the antlers, and you can see like it swivels right here. So that is this part, and this is the light string, and then these are like your little lights. And then there is like a little hole right here, so you can, you know, like thread something through and make it like a dangle. But I personally would just cut that off and use it as a layered embellishment piece. So there's that one. Let's see, what else did I get here? Hold on. Oh, this one's really cute as well. So it makes little cups. I'll try to remember to insert photos as well. I finally figured out how to do that. Yay me. One of the times I was sitting in the hospital with my dad, I was watching tutorials on how to learn how to edit, because you guys know I usually don't edit my videos. I don't even watch my own videos. So it's you guys that tell me when I make a mistake, or you guys will quote like random things that I say, and I just love reading your guys' comments and like laughing at myself. So this will make cups, and if I remember correctly, it makes a Santa and a penguin. So here's all our little pieces for that. And then this one says Merry Christmas, and it's a layered piece. And this comes out really fine. So then you get your little holly berries here, and you get some little leaves as well. So you can go ahead and layer these pieces onto the little berries right there. These I thought were really cute. It reminded me of like what Hobby Lobby sells, and I don't remember if they had them this year or not. But they're little ho-ho-hos with the little Santa. So you guys know me, I love to add bling. So that is my thought for these, is just to go ahead and bling it all up. So I'm going to give that a try and see how it looks, especially on these like little ho-ho-hos. I think the small little diamond dots would work really cute for that. So this one was it $1.04? Maybe $1.01 for 20 pieces. I take guess how much this one was. This was $3.19, and then the cup die was $3.64. This one makes like a Grinch Christmas tree. So if you guys seen Hobby Lobby sells like the Grinch Christmas trees where it's like curved and droopy over, that's what this reminded me of. So that's why I wanted to get it. And then it has like its little ladder right here. You got the star. And this was $3.81 for that one. this holds a whole lot of dies. So I love when a die does the stitching on the edge. So that's why I had to get this one. I thought it was really, really cute. So you get your peppermint wheel right here. And then these like little swirlies, I think were for the circle, or it might have been for this one. I can't quite remember. But then see, there's also this like layering piece that you can add on there. And then you get a snowflake, you get the little greenery, you get like little swirlies that you could put over the circle right here. So I just thought this was really cute. And this one was more expensive. It was $7.17, but these dies are pretty large. Like this ornament one is 3.5 inches tall. And the round one is like 2 3/4. So they are pretty big little ornaments there. Oh, I wonder if this peppermint wheel will fit on the ornament. Because like here's that one. So interesting. I'm gonna have to try that out. Okay, this one was like a whole lot of different ornaments if I remember correctly. So I think it made a gingerbread guy. It made a Rudolph. You can see like here's Rudolph's ears. I think it made a Santa. I should have looked at the picture. And then I think a penguin. And maybe an elf. I don't quite remember, but like I said, I'll leave a link down below and I'll try to insert a photo here. And this one was $7.57. Then here's another one of the cups that kind of match this cup set right here. But this one's a single one. And this one is just the gingerbread guy. And he was $2.80. This one again makes some ornaments. So I think this one was an ornament. And then you could use this little swirly and then add the light bulbs here. And then you can also make it into a gingerbread. And then I think it also made a Santa Claus, if I remember correctly. And this one was $4.96. Okay, these, I love these. So I had shown one before. I think, I'm pretty sure I did. Was it a penguin? Or is this, oh, this one's the penguin. So the other one was a snowman that I had shown before. So it comes with all the pieces you need right here. So here is your frame. Then here's your little igloo that you're going to put right here. Here is your body of your penguin, which you're going to put up here. So it's kind of just like a puzzle putting all the pieces together. And then here is the body of your penguin that you're going to glue on here. And this is the pom-pom for his hat that goes up here. And then he has a scarf. And then he has his little feetsies. Oh, and here's his hat piece over here. So really, really cute. Pretty sure I had this in a snowman and then ended up finding this little penguin dude. So I got that one. I really wish I had more time to craft. I think I've gotten so many great dies this year and I just think they would be so much fun. This one I got as well. It's really cool. It's really, really large. So this one is like 4 1/4. And in the photo, they made like a garland with doing these little lights. So you can actually like stitch the little pieces down, which is really cute. So you can make it all like nice and cutesy and fancy. And then I thought this would be really cute as well, just to use this background die piece and then like this little knob up here. And then you could use it like if you're doing a tag flip. I thought this was a really nice size as well, if you need like a little filler piece for your tag flip for Christmas. So that's why I got that one. I told you this haul was a lot of dies. So this one was really cute. It makes little lollipops. So I loved that it came with the sticks. I was like, okay, totally need that. And then here are your 2 peppermint wheels. And then here are your 2 background pieces for your peppermint wheels. And then it came with this bow die that you can like layer up or just use as singles. So I thought that was really cute, especially with Valentine's Day right around the corner. Bow dies are always like a necessity for any time of year. You could even use it for like spring and Halloween. So I thought this was just a really good diverse set to have, especially for having like the little popsicle sticks. I thought was really cute, and I liked how they were thick. Sometimes when you get dies and it's supposed to be like a lollipop, they're like really, really thin. So I like that these were a little bit thicker. And this one was $3.35 for that one. And then this was just like green, leafy, and little holly berry stuff. So I thought this was a really good just like staple piece to have, that it can mix and match with basically all of these dies. So it's just a whole lot of different shape leaves and different sizes. So you can see like these two have like the 3 leaves, but then like this one is decorated a little bit differently. Then there's these 2 leaves, but you can see this one is more wide and this is kind of more straight up. So I just thought this was really cute. And then if you do want to die cut all the little berries, you can definitely do that. I personally would use diamond dots or flat back little rhinestones, because I just think it pops and looks really cute. So when I saw this one, I was like, you know what, that kind of goes with everything Christmas. So I was like, I definitely got to pick that one up. And that one was $3.40. So that's our little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below with all of the products here. I will try to insert photos. Hopefully I still remember how to do that correctly. And then I do have a coupon code with Temu. It is fav45575. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and we'll see you later.